Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, air signs. Okay, so let's see and let's check kung i-reach out ka ba ng person na iniisip mo ngayong April. Okay, so let's see. Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And siyempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, you can message po si Kuya Dingsi. Okay? And ano pa? Yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter, nasa description box below. Yes, hanapin nyo na lang po. And yeah, pagdating sa ating mga items, so yes, complete. Oo, yung ating Evil Eye Protection. Okay? Protection po ha. Oo, sa Evil Eye na ibinabato sa atin. And yung ating love bracelet and granter necklace and yung ating cord cut. Okay? So, kung may mga tanong pa, message na lang po. Okay, so let's start. So, this is for air sign placements. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, will they reach out this April? So, dapat in no contact kayo. No? Yes. Or hindi kayo magkausap nga ng person. So, let's start with Gemini. Okay, this is for you, Gemini. Gemini. So, sino ba tong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron? Or sa situation? Let's see. Anong meron? Okay, the Emperor in reversed. So, medyo may pagka-immature yung person. It could be an Aries. The Emperor in reverse, may chance na may mga responsibilidad na iniwan itong taong to, tinalikuran, mga ganyang bagay. Pwedeng tatay or nanay ng anak mo. Pwedeng may anak kayo. The King of Swords, yeah. Tumalikod sa responsibilidad to. Ha, Gemini? Tumalikod sa responsibilidad. Natakot siguro. Let's see. Or sabihin natin meron kayong mga legal matter, legal issue ng taong to. Nakakakuha rin ako dito ng energy about somebody na pwedeng meron kayong transaction. Okay? Pwede naman kasing hindi to love eh. Okay? So, meron ako nakukuha sa kanya na pwedeng nakatransact mo tong taong to and now parang nag-back out or hindi mo na narinig. Hindi ka na nakarinig from them. Nakakuha ko ng energy na pwedeng may pirmahang nangyari dito. Meron siyang pinirmahan, something like that. And bigla na lang naglaho. Hindi mo na nakita. Pwedeng may pinag-usapan kayo na dapat ganto, ganyan. Pero hindi mo na naririnig itong taong to. Hindi ka na... Yeah, okay? Let's see. Will they reach out ngayong April? Some of you, this is a boss or a businessman or a woman. May chance ba mag-reach out? The Three of Wands in reverse. Saying no. Why? Oops. Oops. The Six of Cups in reversed. The Five of Wands, the Page of Swords. Some of them, meron pang mga inuuna. Okay, meron pang mga inuuna kasi dito. Sabihin natin, yes, hindi pa ito yung prioridad nila. Okay, pwedeng hindi ka pa prioridad sa ngayon. Some of them, they're planning. They're planning to reach out, maybe. Pero andun yung silence. Okay, so it's saying no. Nakatalikod pa rin to. Hindi ka pa rin makakarinig from them. Naiinis ka lang. Yeah. Anong dahilan? Let's see. Sa tingin ko, yun nga isang bagay is hindi sila handa sa mga responsibilidad. The Magician. Pwedeng meron tong inuuna. It's like they're under control. Parang sila yung may control sa sitwasyon. ikaw yung kailangan maghintay sa kanila like that, 'di ba nakakainis? Okay? Yeah. It's up to them, parang ganyan. Kung kailan ko gustong magpakita sa iyo, kung kailan ko gustong mag-connect sa iyo, something like that. Okay? Some of them kasi pwedeng merong ibang ka-connect. If this is a love connection or relationship. Yeah, see, the Lovers universe. Sa ngayon hindi ka pa rin makakarinig from them. Yeah. Iba sa kanila nandun yung takot, humarap. Takot silang humarap sa iyo. Yeah. They're not ready. Okay, so we have here Virgo, water, fire, Aquarius or air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua, and an Aries. So next, okay, Libra. So this is for Libra. Libra placements. Libra. So will they reach out this April? Will they reach out this April? So who is this person? Your signs, I don't know, Libra. Who is this person? Who is this person, Libra? Okay. The Two of Pentacles, the Juggler. Somebody na may option or meron silang kaliwat kanan, o diba? They have options. What's with this Two of Pentacles? They're juggler actually. An indecisive one. What's with this Two of Pentacles? The World. So, ito yung taong talagang pagdadalawa or pagtatatluhang isip mo bago mo i-entertain muli. Okay? Some of you, nagkaroon kayo ng, sabihin nating malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Iba sa inyo, LDR nga. No, LDR like totally, super. Super LDR. Okay? So, Eight of Swords in reverse. You haven't heard from this person. Para talagang inirelease mo maybe yung sarili mo from them. Let's see. Bakit pa? Bakit mo pa hinihintay? Anyway, some of you umalis ka lang kasi kailangan. Tingnan natin. Will they reach out this April? The Knight of Pentacles. Stubbornness. The Six of Cups in reverse. No. It's saying no. At alam mo, mas magandang hindi nga. Kasi talagang may stress ka na naman. Pag ito nag-reach out, they will give you mixed signals. Okay? The King of Wands. Andun yung parang energy na pagka-bossy or someone na pwedeng may pagkamayabang. Parang ganun yung energy. It's like, okay, they're in control. Yeah. Some of you, Libra, pwedeng maging vice versa or flip yung energy. Some of you, ikaw itong may option. Yeah. So, kung hindi ikaw yon, then don't listen na lang. Okay? So, iba sa inyo, may chance na pwedeng makaresonate doon. Pwedeng ikaw, Libra, yung merong option. Now, andito yung pagmamatigas nila and they're bitter. They are bitter. They're angry. Standing on their ground. They're guarded. They're bitter, they're jealous. You won't hear from them. Yeah, the Seven of Cups. This person still wants you. They still want you. Ikaw pa rin. Yeah. Ten of Cups. bitterness, grudge. Some of them, nakakuha ko ng ganun. So, for me, ang tanong lang naman natin is, will they reach out this April? It's a no. Andun yung galit ng tao. Kung ikaw yung may option. Okay? Pero kung sila yung may option dito, sa tingin ko, nandoon yung pagmamatigas niyan. Okay? Nandun yung pagmamatigas. Nandun yung parang feeling niya, ikaw ang babalik sa kanya. Yes, I'm sorry. Pero, yun ang nakikita ko. Okay? So, we have here water, earth, fixed sign, Taurus, Scorpio, Leo, and Aqua. And then, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so next is Aqua. Aquarius placements. Let's see and let's check. Will they reach out this April? Will they reach you out this April? Will they reach out? This is for Aqua, Aquarius. Sa mga pwede pong maggawa ng timestamp, pakilagay na lang po sa comment section. Thank you. Okay, Aquarius. Aqua. So, sino ba tong taong to, Aqua? The King of Swords. They're silent, planning. Some of you, this could be a fellow Aqua. What's with that King of Swords? The Seven of Wands. They're quiet. Avoidant. They're trying to avoid the situation, or you. Or maybe you are trying to avoid this person. You're blocking them. There's this blockage sa inyo. There's this tension. Aqua. May pagmamatigas both sides. So, will they reach out? Will they reach out? Will they reach out? Aqua. This April. Queen of Cups, Universe. So, andito yung poprotektahan at poprotektahan nila yung sarili nila. Okay, the Queen of Cups, Universe. Yeah, and the Ace of Wands, Universe. Hayaan ko na lang to kaysa naman ako ay ma-reject rin. Yeah, they want. Oo, they want to reach out. Some of them, they're just like manifesting lang kung anong meron. They're just like manifesting conversation with you, pero they're not doing anything like action. Wala kang makakita from them na they will reach you out or they will call you or kung ano man pagpapapansin. Wala, they will just manifest you. Okay, they're like mirroring you. It's saying no, lagi na lang to. They're bitter. If you're not reaching out, they're bitter. So, the Ace of Wands, Universe, they're trying to protect their emotions. Okay? Kasi, ang nakikita nito, Aqua, ikaw, pwedeng hindi ka apektado. Yun ang tingin niya. Eh, siya, hindi niya kaya to. Yes, hindi niya kaya to. Pwedeng fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. Could be any sign. We have here water. Fellow Aqua. Takot ito sa rejection. The Ace of Wands, Universe. Takot sila na parang hindi mabigyang pansin. So, okay. Ang nakuha ko, it's like a no. Kasi parang poprotektahan nga nila yung sarili nila from you. Kahit gusto nila na kumonek or mag-reach out. Takot sila. Poprotektahan yung emosyon. Okay? So, this is like a waiting game. Some of you, you're planning. Nakikita ko, you're planning. Yeah, the Three of Swords. Sinasaktan nyo lang pareho ang isa't isa. Sa totoo lang. Pinapahirapan nyo lang ang sarili ninyo. Okay? That's, for you lang, Aqua. And doon sa person. Pinapahirapan nyo lang yung sitwasyon, yung sarili ninyo. Parang, it's like waiting game. Nakakapagod. Parang ganyan. So, there. Yeah, yun lamang. Chinek lang natin kung may chance bang mag-reach out yung person na iniisip mo ngayong April. So again, yun ang aking reading for you, air signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And syempre, don't forget din na i-follow yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below yung akin pong link. Thank you! Bye!